Hey everyone, it's Alessandro Broxel from Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some Parmesan Tuile crisps. These are easy to make and they taste great, they add texture to your dish. You can also use different cheeses like Pecorino Romano, Manchego for example. Usually hard cheeses are the ones that work best. You can also give the tuile different shapes like cups, bowls, taco shells. I hope you enjoy. Let's get started. I am going to be using two different kinds of Parmesan cheese. A store-bought shredded Parmesan and a Parmesan wedge that I'm going to finely grate myself. I like to use a fine grater because it results in a more delicate tuile. There are two ways you can make the tuiles. One is using the oven and the other is using your stovetop and a non-stick skillet. When making a larger amount of crisps, the oven works best. Line a baking sheet with a non-stick mat or parchment paper. Then, add a thin layer of the cheese. I'm using a round cutter to shape them, but you can also just sprinkle free-form shapes. I am making half with each one of the cheeses. Depending on the fat content and moisture of each of the cheeses, you're gonna get slightly different results. Bake the tuiles in a preheated oven at 400 Fahrenheit, 204 Celsius, until nice and golden and the cheese stops to bubble. Remove from the oven and let it cool. The tuiles will still be somewhat flexible right out of the oven, but will crisp up quickly as they cool. When making in smaller amounts, I like to use a non-stick skillet. I usually start with a cold pan and sprinkle the cheese. Once the tuiles are shaped, I turn the heat on medium-high. Cheese will melt and start to bubble. Once the bubbles diminish, give the tuiles a flip so the top side can also get a nice color. Remove the tuiles from the pan and let them cool on a wire rack or paper towel. When the tuiles are still warm and flexible, you can also give them different shapes. The tuiles can also be shaped into Parmesan cups, using the bottom of a glass or bowl. Or you can also use a rolling pin to shape them into cylinders. The tuiles can also be folded and shaped into taco shells. I hope you have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.